Alright, what's good YouTube? It's your boy OneWayJeff A, and today we're gonna do an ACV rinse for the first time. This is like a small portion of like my lock journey that I'm gonna be doing, my new lock journey. So this is like I'm gonna be doing the ACV rinse. So I already got like the locks right here, and I got like all the materials. So according to what I saw, we gonna start with the baking soda first. So stay tuned.
Dreadlocks cleaning tutorial with Justin the Melon Muncher.
So right now I have the baking soda. Now according to what I saw, they said to put the baking soda on each lock. So we're gonna put the baking soda on each lock. I think I put it too much over the lock, but to each its own. It's my first time doing it, so I'm not gonna punish myself too much for doing it. There we go, baking soda on there. Now next, according to what I saw, is the lemon juice. This is some lemon juice, shout out Food Line. I'm gonna attempt to open it, I'll be right back. So I got the lemon juice, I'm gonna pour it on and see how it is. Look at that, oh my God, look at those bubbles, oh my God. Should have bought a bigger portion, oh my God. All the lemon juice has been used. I should have bought a bigger portion. It's okay, it's my first time. I'll be right back as I throw this away. Look at those bubbles, oh my God. And the crazy part is this isn't even all of it because I didn't buy a bigger bottle. But next, we got the Apple Cider Vinegar and shit like that, right? We got this right here. So now this is the final thing I'm going to pour in there, and then of course the water. So stay tuned. Alright YouTube, so I got the Apple Cider Vinegar. We're about to pour this in here. Now, why I didn't buy a bigger bottle, you ask? I don't know. I should have bought a bigger bottle, but I did not. So, and that is on me. So, but yeah, look at everything just bubble and simmer. So then the next step is I'm gonna pour a big thing of water, because apparently water is the next thing you're supposed to pour in there. Why this is so big, I don't know. Oh shit! Oh no! Oh no! Shit is falling over. Oh Lord! Lordy, lordy! Ooh, cut that. Alright, so now we're gonna pour this. We're gonna pour this big thing in there. Now usually they said they use distilled water, but since I do not have distilled water, nor do I personally own pure water. Well, I do, but I'm not gonna take my roommates. So this is like the best option we got. Now according to this, it said to let it sit for like 20 minutes, and we're gonna see how it goes. Let's get it. It's currently been like 30 minutes since I let it sit. So I'm probably gonna massage like to see what's got out of it. I don't know. This is like my first ever ACV rinse. I gotta say, this is something I probably won't be doing again, hopefully. But like, damn, I did not realize I was that dirty. So, you know, I'm just gonna wash it. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Oh my God, I never realized. This is like my first time ACV rinsing my whole like locks. I'm gonna say it's definitely an experience. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna dry them out for tomorrow. Well, today actually, because it's like Friday and it's like early Friday. It's like 1 something. So stay tuned. So we back again. This time we got the dreadlocks fully done. So this is what they look like fully after they have been ACV rinsed, shampooed, conditioned. That's what they fully look like. I can't wait to see these on my head soon. So, you know, stay tuned for that. Let's go.
Dreadlocks cleaning tutorial with Justin the Melon Muncher.
Alright, what's good YouTube? So today this is going to be a bit of an intermission. I'm about to show you some pictures of my hair look like before in my first set. And then I'm going to show you what it looked like after I combed it out and stuff like that. So right here, this is what my first set looked like around when I first started. I don't have a lot of pictures of it because I had them on like an old Instagram of mine, but it ended up getting hacked. So I barely have old pictures, but here's like an old picture right here. And then here's like another picture like right here, like when I like combed them out originally. So yeah, then I'm about to show y'all like a whole compilation of what my hair used to look like, including right now, obviously what I got right now, including what my hair used to look like between when I combed out my dread first time I did it and like right now. So here's like a little compilation. YouTube, welcome back to another episode. It's your boy One Jazz, and today's video is going to be slightly different than all my other videos. Today we're getting my locks put back in. For those that don't know, I used to have locks like back for 4 years, back in like 2019 from 2023, so it was like way before I started YouTube. Get in with me, let's get started with the video.
Raise your ya ya ya, raise your ya ya ya, longer ya ya ya, raise your ya ya ya.
It's Crossfinger, baby.
Here our monkey boy is starting the process. Is this supposed to be a transition? Why they keep doing it? Bro, just stop, oh my fuck. I swear if they do it again. Phew, they didn't. Good monkey boy. Okay, I will speed it up a bit. Bro, stop staring into the camera. You're rizzing me up, star blushes star. I start to feel like speeding up wasn't a great idea. I mean, her dreadlocks technique starts to look like my technique for master.
We're not done yet.
Thank you for letting us know, Justin. I couldn't have figured it out on my own. You bitch ass. What the hell was his kinky a watching dog? Never mind, I don't want to know. Okay, I got bored, so I'll just play with myself for a bit. Damn, I won, but I also lost ... This life truly is a philosophy. Let's just all take a moment and admire his double-barreled shotgun-looking nostrils. They are huge for Real. Goddamn, bro can inhale the entire oxygen supply of this planet. It's almost done, fellas. We did it. Finally, now take yo ugly out of the screen.
Alright, what's good, YouTube? I just left the lady's house. You know, she did my, as you can see, my locks were put back in for the first time in like 15 months. I've had my lock for 15 months, so you know, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna show y'all a 360 real quick. As you can see, the journey's still not done. Still got to get my haircut. I don't know if I'm gonna get it tomorrow, but I am gonna get it before Wednesday because we got the graduation thing going on. So you know, stay tuned for that. All right, what's good, YouTube? As you can see, we just got the cut. As you can see, we just got the cut. I ain't really recording the cut because it's just too much to record. But I am going to tag the barber down in the description. So, you know, get in with him, especially if you're watching in the Pembroke area. Get in with him. Did a great job and shit like that, you feel me? But I really hope you enjoyed the Loc vlog. Well, not really a vlog, but it was a Loc reinstallation vlog type shit, you feel me? I really hope y'all enjoyed that. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this entire video. You know, every subscription helps, every comment helps, every like helps, you feel me? So, you know, we out. On to the next one. Let's go.